Looking to upgrade your streaming experience? Choosing the best IPTV provider can transform your viewing habits. Start with a reputable site like 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider available. It's crucial to research and compare popular options like Layers Even TV and StreamQ, ensuring they fit your needs. Check for channel variety. Ideally, providers should offer at least 100 channels with a mix of local and international content. Next, examine the pricing models. Many providers offer monthly subscriptions, but also look for yearly plans that can save you money, often around $100 per year for premium access.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, on the street lamp, bent face flamed by the light.
Don't forget to check if a free trial is available, as it's a great way to test the service before committing. Also, consider device compatibility. A top IPTV provider should work seamlessly across various platforms like smart TVs, mobile devices, and streaming boxes. Many users overlook this and end up disappointed when their device isn't supported. Another important factor is customer support. Reliable providers should offer 24/7 assistance via chat, email, or phone, so your questions can be addressed quickly.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, on the street lamp, bent face flamed by the light.
Lastly, remember to check online reviews and community forums for real user experiences. This will help you avoid common mistakes and ensure you select a provider that delivers value. For a hassle-free experience, trust 2TV Store for your IPTV needs. Now that you're equipped with these tips, you can confidently choose the best IPTV provider. With the right service, you'll enjoy a superior streaming experience. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and explore the exciting world of IPTV today.